Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in our previous video we have discussed the C code for quick sort. So in this lecture we are going to see the C code for match sort. So I have made a video on match sort and quick sort. That in that videos I have covered the lecture part. So in this part I will cover the codes. I will going to explain line by line the C code. I have already written the C code for our match sort. So let me explain it line by line. So first line, this is everybody know this is a header file. So this line includes the standard input and output libraries, and we have created some functions. So we have created merge function and match slot function. So when these are called function prototypes, so they tell the compiler that these functions will be defined later. So we are coming to the main function. So here the execution starts. So in this main function we are given an example, array example 8 3 and 6 1 9 2. The size of the array is 6, and this is our array. The numbers are not slotted initially. So next our array size is 6 as I mentioned. So this stores the values of 6 elements. So now we came to our match slot of array parameters array 0 n minus 1. So this function starts the match slot. 0 is our first index and n minus 1 is our last index. So here we are giving printf started array. This prints the heading. So next we are going to loop. So this is our loop. So this loop tells us, this loop visits the every element. So this loop visits the every element in the array. So this prints the each slotted element. So %ld array of index I. So finally it gonna return 0 when the programming ends successfully. So now let us understand the match function of these parameters, int array of some size and int left, int mid and int right. So initially we are declared int temp. This temporary variable array stores match values. So initially we have declared 100 with index 100 for safe side. So next we are going to int I left. So this points the second part. So on the next line, this int I equal to left will show the first part. On the next line we have int j equal to mid plus 1, sorry. So this points the second part. On the next line we are moving to int k equal to left. This points towards the temporary array position. So now we enter the while loop. Here we enter the while loop. This is under while loop. So first we are going to check the condition. As long as the both parts have elements, we compare them. Inside we have written array of index I is less than array of index j. So if the element left is smaller, we copy it into the temporary variable. So temp of index k equal to array of index I. Then we are going to increment I. So move to the next left element. So we are moving to the left element. So otherwise temp k equal to array of size j. So j is incremented. Moving to the next right element. So finally we are incrementing the k. Move to the next temporary position. After one part finished, we copy them remaining elements. So first while loop. So this is a first while loop. So while I is less than or equal to mid, copies leftover elements from the left side. So second while loop. So j is less than or equal to right. So we are going to declare copying leftover elements from the right side. So this is for copying the leftover element of left side, and this is copying leftover elements of right side. So now we are seeing the while loop, we are seeing for loop for I is equal to left, I is greater than or equal to right, and I is incremented. Array of index I equal to temp of index I. So copy all merged elements back into the original array. So now that the positions become slotted. So next let us understand the void match slot. So this is our void match slot with the parameters. So this is the main slotting function. So first it's going to check condition if left is less than right. If there is more than one element, then slotting is needed. So next we are moving int mid equal to left plus right divided by 2. So we are calling the function match slot and match slot. Match slot one time, match slot second time, and match. So first recursion call is match slot array of left and mid, and slot the left half. Second recursion call match slot array mid plus 1 and right. So after both halves are slotted, merge array of this merge of parameters, combine them into one slotted array. So this process repeats again and again. So the array keeps dividing into smaller parts. Then all parts are merged back in slotted. So in this array, in this main function, we are given 8, 3, 6, 1, 9, 2. So it should be print 1, 2, 3, 6, 8 and 9. So this is all about the match slot. So let me run this code. So we have successfully run the code. The array size is, the array is 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9. So this is our example array. So I hope this lecture is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next lecture.